The elephant and his bird friend. Once upon a time, in a beautiful green forest, there was a huge elephant named Dahi. Dahi lived alone in the forest because he was very big and he thought that no one wanted to be his friend. Although he was kind and good-hearted, he always felt sad and lonely. On the other side of the forest, there was a little bird named Zaksuk. Zaksuk was full of energy and activity, and he loved to fly and play between the trees. Despite his small size, Zaksuk was brave and had many friends. One day, while Dahi was walking by the river, he saw Zaksuk trapped in a hunter's net. The little bird was trying hard to escape, but he couldn't. When Dahi saw what was happening, he felt sad for Zaksuk and decided to help him. Dahi approached quietly and used his big trunk to free Zaksuk from the net. The bird was very grateful and Dahi was happy that he was finally able to help someone. Zaksuk said after being freed, "Thank you, Dahi. You saved my life. How can I repay you?" Dahi smiled and said, "No need to thank you, Zaksuk. I am happy that I could help you. In fact, I do not have many friends and I feel lonely." Zaksuk replied enthusiastically, "But why? You are kind and brave. I would like to be your friend. Let's encourage each other and play together." Since that day, Dahi and Zaksuk became the best of friends. They spent their days together, Zaksuk singing his beautiful songs to Dahi, and Dahi protecting Zaksuk and taking him for rides through the forest on his big back. Dahi no longer felt lonely, because he now had a friend who appreciated and loved him. The animals in the forest learned from this friendship that size or strength does not matter, but what matters is the kindness and love we give to others. The story of Dahi and Zaksuk became a symbol of true friendship that transcends all differences.